Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix do not disturb not working on iPhone iOS 17, which means if you have recently turned on the do not disturb on your iPhone and you're still getting the notification for different apps like that, then how you can fix that. So basically, after recent update, do not disturb is merged into focus option in the control center. So here you can simply find all the settings related to do not disturb. So here you have to make sure that you have choose the correct settings here, and you can see that there are options available that you can simply allow any one of the apps in do not disturb. If you have simply changed these settings, which means you have simply allowed one of your apps in do not disturb, then you can simply get the notification from that app. You can simply click on add and you can simply add that app into your do not disturb notification setting. Moreover, you can also set the notification for different person, which means you can get the messages from a person which you add in do not disturb mode here. And after that, you can simply change these settings. You have to make sure that you do not have changed these kind of settings. But if you have do not change, which mean you have already turned on this feature and you want to simply turn on the do not disturb mode, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on that three dot, and after that you have to click on that and your do not disturb will be turned off. And after that you have to click again so that do not disturb mode is active again. And if it is not working for you, then what you have to do, you have to again go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset all settings. And after that you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for reset network setting. And after that, this will reset all of your network setting. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to setting, you have to go to general, and you have to go to software update. And you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS update, because many problems and bugs are fixed by the latest iOS version. So you have to make sure of that you have installed the latest iOS version in your iPhone. So in this way you can simply fix that. So you will not get the notification after you have done all these settings. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.